the finally block and its importance. Welcome to G3's Y Factor. Today, in our Y Factor, we're going to understand why finally block is important in exception handling. We all quite know that exception handling is done with the help of three blocks: the try, catch, and finally. Try is the block where we write the code that could potentially produce an exception. In the catch block, we handle all the potential exceptions that could be arised. But finally block, the general understanding is whether or not there is an exception, the finally block gets executed. But why it is very important? Here comes the reason. Even after the return statement, the finally block gets executed. My method here is very simple. It's going to open a connection, it's going to execute a reader, fetch the data, and return back as an object. But even after the return statement, you will find finally block getting executed. To understand that more better, I have just placed a breakpoint in my connections open statement. That's my line number 37. Let's go ahead and execute the code to understand the finally blocks working. You can very well find that the code gets executed line by line. There goes. So we open the connection, the reader is going to work. You can notice that it's actually executing the return. But notice the magic happened in finally block. So even after the return statement, the finally block gets executed. That, my friends, is very important for exception handling.